Collaborative law is the friendlier dismantling of the marriage relationship. It's really geared towards the best interest of all parties involved. You know, of course, you're already getting a divorce, so do it the easiest way possible. And there's a lot of concerns, financial concerns. If you have children, then there's concerns about the children. Sometimes there's college tuition concerns. Sometimes there's private school concerns. Then there's some issues about visitation. So with collaborative law, you often will bring in some other specialists. And there's the model where it's just 2 attorneys, and then you can bring in expert as needed. So if you need a financial planner, if you need a CPA, if you need a child therapist to come in, you can bring them in as needed. And then there's another model where you can start the process with all of the people intact, and you really just decide by the kind of case that it is and what issues you're hearing when you first meet with your client. You kind of decide, this is the kind of case it is, and I need to bring in these experts. Sometimes it's not a child psychologist that we bring in or a therapist, it is a therapist in general, because one person is not really ready for the divorce and needs to be brought up to speed, and then that therapist will spend more time with the person that's not ready to, to let that relationship go. And then the financial planner will oftentimes be able to explain, this is where you'll be in 5 years, this is where you'll be in 10 years, this is the best for all parties included, and we just go from there. Sometimes we do the CPA to decipher some of the documents that are provided to us, and the CPA can talk about some of the tax advantages for us as well. And it's helpful. Those are the only 2 that I actually use. I prefer the one-on-one with the other attorney, and then just bring in the experts as needed, just simply because it keeps the costs down. But there are situations that warrant bringing in the whole team at the very beginning.